Alright guys, welcome back guys. We'll be looking through Usdcad expectation for the week. This is week 2 of January, and I'd love you guys to subscribe, like and comment, as I always read your comments and I'll respond back to your comments. So without wasting much time, let's go into details and see what we have. Market just have a way of opening and you get to see some funny things when it opens. So I think this high and lows was refined. I refined it to daily view because I couldn't see the picture well in the time frame, so I was actually using monthly, 6 month, 3 month view, but when I took it down to daily, I saw a good way to refine it. This is what I don't like about this network. Just gonna delay me. Okay, so I have every zones occupied already, and I feel it feels a little bit more decent and more comfortable for me on a daily time frame. Yeah, because I took time to, this is the high, this is the low, high, high, low, this high, new high, break it out but then come down, break it to a new high. So this becomes the high, the low and high of this swing here before coming down to take out this low. So when it came down and took out this line, already we're forming a new higher low here. So the higher low took out this high and form a new higher high. Then we have a reversal, which from the new higher low. The new higher low is supposed to take out this high, but couldn't take it out, from a lower high, and the lower high was able to take out the higher low from a new lower low. Okay, so with this we confirm that we might be selling, but during the confirmation we have price retraced back up and took out this lower high to create a new, not a new, but back to the old higher high and kind of have a double top formation. Okay, so when we see that we now have a new higher high, then it still signifies, because we are breaking low, so but price did close above this high. Price did close above. I would have preferred price not to close above, so I can see it being wicked out, but in this scenario price closed above, so it didn't just wicked out, it created something new. So I was expecting that price wouldn't take this lower low out, so we might have price to form a new higher high. So price came down, push, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. Now this is not a correction, this is also an impulse back. Okay, it would have been a correction if it is in this form. You can see that this form, yeah, but this is an impulse back. So this is actually signifying that we may have a buy setups here, but I'm not rushing for it. Why? Because DXY has told me that he's actually going to sell. So if DXY is going to be selling, then I'm interested in looking for sell setups on Usdcad also. So to take out this lower low, so I believe this is just a retracement for a long sell-off. So let's go down to 4H to see how it was being formed on 4H, then probably 1 hour where I like to spot entry. So on 4H it looks like this is an ascending channel. We have an impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. Okay, so this is the ascending channel. Impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. Then this kind of correction, look at it here, is the descending channel to signify the price might come back up. So this is a descending trend for a pullback. So I'm looking at this zone here to be a reversal zone. If we see a reversal in this zone, it would have been nice. Okay, but I won't monitor that zone again. I'll wait for a breakout of this trend, then an impulse and correction phase, then I'll love to sell, because this has not really completed the 90% rule of this ascending channel, and it gets more difficult to enter this trade in this zone rather than these zones at the top here. I would probably love to enter this at this top here rather than coming down here to find the entry. Yeah, that's one thing I really like. I like to find entries at the top, not at the bottom of a chart pattern. So this, I'll be very careful with it. I will have loved to see a breakout, then I'll sell. Or if I get this high that I marked out here, I would love to see what happened on that high and see how price reacts to that high. If it gives us something very massive, then I'll probably go in from an 1 hour point of view. Alright, I think that's my view for USD card. Okay, do like, subscribe and comment. Okay guys, see you in the next one.